what is the question? In question, I said search Gmail and Ymail addresses in Excel file related to Sri Lankan websites. Okay, you saw this. If you want to search Sri Lankan website, how we search? Site colon LK. So then Gmail and Ymail address, Yahoo mail addresses and Ymail addresses. So Gmail addresses will have gmail.com and Yahoo mail address will have ymail.com. So it should include gmail.com and ymail.com. So simple as that. So how you have applied this year, Gmail or Ymail. So yes, Manudha has sent that, but there's a minor error there, right? Manudha has sent it to the group, you can see, but there's a minor mistake there. What's the mistake? So it has not mentioned it has a Gmail address, Manudha. Okay, Gmail address එකක් නම් ඔයා දන්න පුංචි කැරි ටිකක් තියෙනවා තව. මම මනුදක එකම modify කරලා එවන්නම්. Gmail address එකක් නම් තියෙනවා @gmail.com කියලා අගට. Ymail address එකක් නම් තියෙනවා @ymail.com. Okay, then your answer is correct. File type XLSX, site LK. හරි අපි search කරලා බලමු. So let's search and see, then only you will understand. Otherwise, like if you still cannot understand, please let me know after searching, right? Okay, first question is say search for Gmail and Ymail addresses in Excel file related to Excel, right? Excel file related to Sri Lankan websites. Okay, that means I want to search for so at Gmail එකක් නම් අග තියෙන්නේ මොකද්ද? @gmail.com කියලා තියෙනව නේද Gmail වල අග. එතකොට Yahoo mail වල අග කොහොමද තියෙන්නේ? @ymail.com කියලා තියෙනවා. හරි. ඊළඟට මොනවාද Gmail or Yahoo mail? Excel file එකක් වෙන්න ඕන. file එක Excel නම් අපි කොහොමද කියන්නේ? File type Excel කියන්නේ කොහොමද? What is the extension for Excel? Yes, what is the extension for Excel? XLSX ඒ අලුත් version එක පරණ version එක නම් file type Excel S දුන්නා නම් හරි පරණ Excel version XLS අලුත් ඒවා SLXX හරි ඊට පස්සේ තව මෙතන ඕ දාන්නත් පුළුවන් ඕ දැම්මත් කමන්නේ නොදැම්මත් කමන්නේ මොකද එකම document එකේ Gmail Ymail දෙකම තියෙන්නත් පුළුවන්. You can put this @gmail.com or @ymail.com, that is also okay. File type XLS or XLS, then
site
site ලංකාවේ website ලංකාවේ website නම් අපි කියනවා site :lk කියලා. හරි. මෙහෙම search කරා නම් අපිට එනවා මේ තියෙන්නේ මේ ඔක්කොම එන්නේ Excel file බලන්න පුතේ. මේ ඔක්කොම එන්නේ Excel file. අනිත් එකේ ඔක්කොම එන්නේ මොනවාගෙන්ද? මේ ඔක්කොම files එන්නේ මේ LK websites වලින් නේද බලන්න. සියලුම ෆයිල් එන්නේ LK වෙබ්සයිට් වලින්.
sheet 1 කියන එක මට දෙවෙනිට ආවද?
මොකද පුතේ?
යට තිබ්බ sheet 1 කියන එක මට දෙවෙනිට ආවද?
ඔව් ඒක වෙනස් වෙන්න පුළුවන්. සර්ච් එකේ එන විදිය වෙනස් වෙන්න පුළුවන්. හැබැයි ගොඩක් ඒවා LK මේ ගොඩක් ඒවා නෙමෙයි ඔක්කොම LK වලින්. ගොඩක් ඒවා නෙමෙයි ඔක්කොම අනිවාර්යෙන් එන්නේ LK වලින්ම තමයි. හරි? ඔක්කොම LK වලින් එන්නේ. අපි ස්පෙસિෆයි කරලා නෙගත්තේ මේ තියෙන sheet 1 කියලා ගොඩක් එන children info. ඔය වගේ ගොඩක් ඒවා යුනිවර්සිටිස් වලින් එන්නේ මේ district බාර සමෘද්ධි වලින් එනවා. health ministry එකෙන් ඇවිල්ලා තියෙනවා වගේ එක ඒවායින් එනවා. හරි මේ data ගන්න විදිය ඉන්ටර්නෙට් එකේ තියෙන කියලා දෙන්නේ. දැන් තේරුණාද නැත්නම් තාම තේරුණේ නැද්ද? මේ අපිට ඕන data එකක් හරියටම හොයාගන්න විදිය තමයි කියන්නේ. ඒ කියන්නේ අපිට Excel file එකක් නම් හොයන්න ඕනේ. ලංකාවේ website එකක නම් මේ දැන් හිතන්න අපිට Excel file එකක් හම්බුණා. දැන් අපිට මතක නැහැ. මේ Excel file එකේ තිබ්බේ මොනවා හරි අපි හිතමු මේ address එකක් තිබ්බා. මේ Excel file එකේ තිබ්බ Gmail address, Yahoo mail address ගොඩක් තිබ්බා. හැබැයි මට මතක නැහැ. මේක ලංකාවේව තමයි තිබ්බේ. එතකොට මේක හොයන්නේ කොහොමද? How you are going to find? So this is how you are going to find, right? Understood or not? If you cannot understand, tell me, then I can explain again, right?
understood
Understood. Okay. හරි ඊට පස්සේ exercise එක මොකද්ද මම කිව්වේ? numbers ගොඩාක් දුන්නා. හරි ඔක්කොම mobile numbers නේද? mobile numbers පටන් ගන්න විදිය නේද මම දුන්නේ?
Yes, sir.
So all are mobile numbers in Sri Lanka 071 ඔය ඔක්කොම mobile numbers. හරි. පටන් ගන්න විදිය. එතකොට මොනවා හරි mobile number එකක් තමයි මම හොයන්න කිව්වේ. එතකොට අපිට මේවා ලියන්න පුළුවන් මෙහෙම. 071 වෙන්න පුළුවන්. ඉස්තනක් තියලා ලිව්වත් කමන්නේ 070 වෙන්න පුළුවන් නැත්නම් ඕ දදා ලියන්න ඕන කොහොමත් එකයි 077 075 074 078 මේ වගේ එකක් හරි තියෙනවා කියන්නේ මේක ෆෝන් නම්බර් එකක් ගොඩක් වෙලා. එතකොට ඊට අමතරව මොනවද තියෙනවා කියලා කියන්නේ. ඒ වගේ Yahoo mail හරි Gmail හරිත් තියෙනවා. email Yahoo mail තියෙන්න පුළුවන්. Excel file නේද කියන්නේ? ඔව්. They asking to find the Excel files. And site එක කමන්නේ ලෝකේ ඕනම තැනක. එහෙනම් LK අයින් කළා දාලා හොයන්න පුළුවන්. ඉතින් ලෝකේ ඕනම තැනකින් හෙව්වට ගොඩක් වෙලාවට එන්නේ මේවා ලංකාවේ වෙබ්සයිට්ස් වලින්ම තමයි. හේතුව ඉතින් මේ ෆෝන් නම්බර් තියෙන ලංකාවේනේ. University of Peradeniya ඔන්න එකක් මට ආවා. අපි බලමු මොකද්ද කියලා. ඒක ඕපන් කරලා බලන්න පුළුවන්. You can see okay, it has these details, right? So what about these details? So this is like what is your opinion about second BVSC examination, good, bad, okay, feedback sheet. This is like a feedback form for some batch. But so please remember that these are all sensitive information, right? So because in the information belongs to someone else, no. So these are sensitive information. We should not misuse that. අපි මම මිස්යූස් කරන්නේ හොඳ නැහැ. ටෙලිෆෝන් නම්බර්ස් අරගෙන කෝල් කරලා බලනවා කොහොමද කියලා. තනියෙන් ඉන්නවද කියලා බලනවා. ඒ වගේ වැඩේම කරන්න එපා. හරි. මම මේ දුන්නේ ඔයගලන්ට නිකන් උදාහරණයක් විදිහට හොයලා බලන්න විතරයි. ඒ අරෙන්න නිකන් ඊට පස්සේ මේ කෝල් කරලා WhatsApp message දාලා hi කොහොමද? So I'm not teaching this to elder students and employees because they are trying to misuse these things. I just gave you an example, right? How to find information. Right now you can see some informations can be found like this. Actually, some are from Sri Lankan website, some are from other websites, right? But if you really need this from Sri Lankan website, what you can do, you can add this site :LK. Then it will come from the Sri Lankan websites, right? These are, so you can see 1, 2, 3, 4 are from Sri Lankan websites. Likewise, if you want any information, you can easily Google it. But the thing is, Google has techniques, right? මේ වගේ techniques තියෙනවා Google වල නිකම්ම ගහන්න ඕනේ නැහැ. විදි තියෙනවා Google වල හොයන්න, search කරන්න. Right? You can use these techniques. Okay, and so please note that these are fundamentals, very basics, but even some university students are there who don't know, who cannot remember, who actually don't know how to implement this. And even some employees are there, right? Okay. Therefore, please, this is very, very important thing. So you have to remember this. Okay, finish?
Finish, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I think I have only 5 minutes, but I can allocate that for the website creating work. Right. Fortunately, I saved 5 minutes. Okay, to
Sir,
create
we can create websites from Notepad too.
Yeah, you can code it using Notepad. You can code it using Notepad. Okay, what I'm going to teach today is how to create your blog site, right? Not actually a website. So this is a web. It's true that is a website, but it's a blog site. Blog site means you can write articles there. So it's using a template, right? Okay, you have to go to this website, blogger.com, right? When you go to the blogger.com, right? So you are given, so here actually I have login to the particular site. So let me log out. Oh, So let's go to the web browser, another web browser. I'm going to Safari. And access blogger.com. So please go to this website and access by your own. So this is the link or the URL. I have sent it to you. So when you access the website, you can see something like create your blog. So then please click on create your blog and they will ask you to sign in. They will ask you to sign in. So you can use any account there. So I'm using this one. Right? Then you can give a password related to that. Maybe your Gmail account and the password related to that. And you can sign into the particular, you can actually sign into the blogger.com. Right here, actually, I have already created one, therefore I'm not going to sign in now. But if I have not created, if it is a new mail, a brand new mail, you will get a window saying create a new blog. Okay, let's go to one of your pages. So can you share a new person who's doing this first time? Can you share?
Can I do?
Yeah, sure.
It's not me, sir.
Anyway, so he has taken the chance. That doesn't matter.
Let him share first, sir. Sorry, sir.
Okay, no worries. Right, then here it's asking choose a name for your blog. You can type any name. So just type your name. Just type your name. And click next. Click next. You will get similar window, right? And then it is asking URL for your blog. Here you don't want to put any space. Don't put any space. Please put your name if you want, or name or some unique identifier. Maybe you can put your name and see whether it's available. Okay, without spaces you can put it. And this one is not available, Manunda. Maybe you have created one before. Maybe use Manu the grade 6, something like that.
My name is okay, sir.
Manu the G6 kila use karana Manu. Simple grade 6 and in the G6. All right, okay. So remember this one, right? Manu the grade GX. Whatever. Remember this one. Okay, click next. Click next. Oh, if it is available, then it's asking the display name. You can display, maybe you can type the same name. Again, your name. Only to the second place you have to write without any spaces. But here it's okay. Then finish. Now your blog is created. And you can see the blog address. Right? You can see the blog address. If you want to see the blog address, it will be there. So please go to your right side. Sorry, left side. Left side. Go to the bottom of the site. And then you can click on view blog. And when you click on view blog, you can view the website. And this is your URL. Others who have created websites, blogs, you can just send this. This is like 1 minute or 30 seconds. 30-second way to create a website. So this is your website. It is public. It's available for anyone. Right. Hey Shani, yes, I have a blog, but posting. And gonna start it again. Sorry.
How to put something on that website?
Yeah, you have to put a post. I'll tell that next day, right? Because actually I wanted to do that next week, but since I had time, I have done this. This is Hey Shani. Actually, she has put some article. This is in 2020 November last year. After that, no posts, right? But Hey Shani, you can start posting, right? You can start posting here, and you can start posting articles. So that is also possible. Here, when I log into this website, here you can see new post. You can go to the new post and create a post. So this is what I have done. This is a very simple one just to show. This is a testing, nothing there, right? the testing one, nothing there. But after finding, after editing view block, and you can go to the layout and customize. You can put a theme. Go to theme and put any theme that you like. If you don't like the current theme, you can apply these themes which are available, or you can download free themes and apply here. So maybe a black theme like this. Likewise, you can apply any theme. And post you can add, so that things, pages you can add, layout you can change. Just go through this and try to create a nice web page by next day and try to present that. All right. Okay, you can add that exercise, 10 good things I did. Right. So if you can add that, it will be nice. 10 good things I did. So that is a heading that you can add to the blog and write about 10 good things you did. Okay, then see you all next week. Venita, share it next week. I'll give you a chance. See you all next week. Good night.
Thank you, sir. Good night, sir.
Right.
Thank you, sir. Good night.
Sir.
Thank you, sir. Good night.